right, it's snowy and cold, but working in the Hiace today, just in a couple catching up things. I'm gonna take the dash off today because I need to get into the AC heater controller, put in some of these tiny little bulbs. Half the screen's out at nighttime, so I can't see what the buttons are. So I'm gonna rip that off and get the bulbs going. Let's do this. First, take out these little 2 Phillips that are in here. With those screws off, that allows you to take this off. Just kind of wiggle it forward. Got a screw there. Got it. Put them in there. All right, I'm going back inside. All right, back inside. Hey, there's a blizzard out there. At least out of the wind, it's not as bad. Okay, now I gotta start popping off the rest. And I forgot that one. You gotta pull that screw out too. Right. All right, dash pretty much removed. I gotta pull this out. I'm hoping it's just the 2 Phillips on either side. And hopefully that allows me to pull that straight out and change out those bulbs. That looks like another one on top there. All right, that's it out. Gonna pop out all these wires and figure out where the bulbs go. All right, that's it out. I'm gonna take it inside now and dismantle the rest. Hopefully the spot for the bulbs is just inside, which I'm assuming they are. Let's do this inside where it's warm. All right, got this opened up. There are the bulbs I need to replace. So it looks like there's 1, 2, 4 of the brown and 2 white. So let's swap them out. Okay, back in the car, so the van. Bulbs reinstalled, put it all back together. I want to test it before I do everything back together. So what was happening before, this half would not light up, everything else did. So let's put it back in, give it a test, and then I can close it all up. Wild out there. Just noticed I put the bracket on around the wrong way. It's back on now. Never done it before, so screwed that up. Anyway, start hooking it back into there. Before you further, let's try out some of the screw next. A bit hard to tell in this lighting, but appears to be working now. Those are already working, however, these were not. All right, all good. Gonna reassemble now. Click everything back in, just do the reverse of what you did, taking it apart. All right, that's it all finished and illuminated.